For centuries, humanity has strived to unravel the secrets of our world. We've mapped the oceans, scaled the highest peaks, and even ventured into the cosmos. Yet, despite our incredible advancements, there remain corners of our planet that defy explanation. Places where the laws of nature seem to bend, where ancient civilizations left behind impossible legacies, and where phenomena continue to baffle the brightest scientific minds. Today, we embark on a journey to explore 10 such enigmatic locations. Prepare to have your understanding of the world challenged by the places scientists are still struggling to explain. Lake Maracaibo, Venezuela. Our first stop takes us to Lake Maracaibo, home to one of Earth's most spectacular and baffling atmospheric phenomena, Catatumbo lightning. For up to 160 nights a year, the skies above the lake ignite with an almost continuous display, sometimes flashing an astonishing 28 times per minute. Scientists have long grappled with the precise reasons behind this perpetual storm. The leading theory suggests a perfect convergence of geographical conditions. Warm, moist air from the Caribbean collides with cold air descending from the Andes, creating massive cumulonimbus clouds. Additionally, methane gas rising from the lake's rich oil deposits might enhance the atmosphere's conductivity. Yet, the sheer consistency and power of the Catatumbo lightning continues to make it a profound meteorological puzzle, reminding us that even the most fundamental forces of nature hold secrets. The Eye of the Sahara, Mauritania. We journey now to the Sahara Desert, where a colossal geological marvel stares back at the heavens. The Richat structure, famously known as the Eye of the Sahara, spanning an incredible 25 miles in diameter, its near-perfect circular shape and distinct concentric rings have made it an unmistakable landmark from space. Initially, its striking appearance led many to believe it was the scar of an ancient meteorite impact. However, extensive geological studies have largely dismissed this theory. Today, the scientific consensus points to the Richat structure being a deeply eroded geological dome. It formed when a subsurface intrusion uplifted the overlying rock layers, which erosion then carved into this mesmerizing bullseye pattern. While geologists understand the general process, the precise mechanisms that resulted in such an incredibly symmetrical and perfectly circular structure continue to be a source of fascination. The Bermuda Triangle. Our journey takes us to a legendary and feared expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. The Bermuda Triangle, dubbed the Devil's Triangle. This region has been the alleged site of numerous vanishing acts involving ships and aircraft, fueling decades of speculation, from paranormal activity to extraterrestrial encounters. Scientific inquiry offers more grounded explanations. The region is notorious for its unpredictable and violent weather patterns, including sudden hurricanes and rapidly forming squalls. The seafloor plunges to some of the deepest trenches, making wreckage recovery incredibly challenging. One compelling scientific theory involves methane hydrates, natural gas trapped beneath the ocean floor. Scientists hypothesize that sudden releases of this gas could create massive bubbles, causing ships to sink almost instantly. Yet, the enduring allure of its unsolved mysteries continues to captivate our imagination. The Nazca Lines, Peru. Our next enigma takes us high above the arid plains of Peru, where an ancient civilization left behind a baffling legacy, the Nazca Lines. Etched into the desert floor between 500 BCE and 500 CE, these colossal geoglyphs depict animals, plants, and figures. What makes them truly mysterious is their immense scale and precision, best appreciated from an aerial perspective, a view the Nazca people supposedly lacked. How were these intricate designs created without seeing them from above? And why? Theories range from astronomical calendars aligning with celestial bodies to ritualistic pathways for religious ceremonies. While the method of creation is generally agreed upon, Nazca removed the surface rocks, exposing the lighter earth beneath. Their purpose remains hotly debated. The Nazca Lines stand as a testament to the ingenuity and complex cosmology of an ancient culture, leaving us to ponder the true meaning of their monumental desert art. The Plain of Jars, Laos. Our journey now takes us to Laos, to the enigmatic landscape of the Plain of Jars, where thousands of colossal stone jars lie scattered across the terrain. These massive megalithic jars, some reaching up to 3 meters tall and weighing several tons, have puzzled researchers for centuries regarding their origin and ultimate purpose. Recent archaeological investigations suggest these jars were associated with ancient burial practices dating back over 2,000 years. Excavations have uncovered human remains and burial goods, suggesting the jars served as funerary urns or played a role in complex mortuary rituals. Despite Despite these discoveries, the sheer scale of the undertaking, how these massive stones were transported and carved by an ancient culture without advanced tools, continues to be a source of wonder and ongoing research. Eternal Flame Falls, New York. We shift our focus to a seemingly impossible natural wonder in western New York, the Eternal Flame Falls. Tucked away in Chestnut Ridge Park, this small waterfall holds a remarkable secret, a flickering flame that burns continuously behind its cascading waters. It's a place where fire and water, two opposing elements, coexist. The mystery of how this flame sustains itself lies deep beneath the earth. Scientists have discovered that ancient shale bedrock generates natural gas, primarily methane, which seeps through fissures to the surface directly behind the waterfall. Once ignited, the continuous supply of gas allows the flame to burn indefinitely. While the geological processes creating such a consistent seep are still under investigation, the phenomenon itself is a rare and intriguing natural wonder, reminding us of the Earth's hidden energies. Skinwalker Ranch, Utah. Our next destination takes us to a remote corner of Utah, to a property shrouded in an almost unbelievable array of unexplained phenomena, Skinwalker Ranch. This 512-acre expanse has been the epicenter of alleged paranormal activity, including frequent UFO sightings, bizarre cattle mutilations, cryptid encounters, and strange electromagnetic anomalies. The sheer volume and variety of reported incidents have drawn significant scientific attention. Covert investigations have deployed advanced equipment, attempting to document and analyze the anomalies. While countless personal accounts describe terrifying events, concrete, reproducible scientific evidence remains elusive. Theories range from geological explanations, such as naturally occurring electromagnetic disturbances, to more speculative ideas. The diverse nature of the phenomena continues to defy conventional scientific understanding, leaving Skinwalker Ranch as a truly baffling enigma on the frontier of the unknown. The Dancing Forest, Russia. We travel to the Baltic coast of Russia, to a place that seems plucked from a fairy tale, the Dancing Forest on the Curonian Spit. Here, a grove of pine trees exhibits an utterly bizarre growth pattern, with their trunks inexplicably twisted, bent, and contorted into spirals and loops. Scientists have proposed several hypotheses to unravel this arboreal enigma. One leading theory points to the pine shoot moth, whose larvae damage the terminal shoots of young trees, causing distorted growth as the tree attempts to recover. Another suggestion involves the unique environmental conditions of the dunes. Strong winds combined with unstable sandy soil could have forced the young saplings into these unusual shapes. While these theories offer plausible explanations, no single scientific consensus has emerged, leaving the Dancing Forest as a captivating natural puzzle. The Zone of Silence, Mexico. Our penultimate mystery takes us to northern Mexico, home to a place known chillingly as La Zona del Silencio, or the Zone of Silence. Here, visitors and researchers report a litany of strange phenomena. Radio signals inexplicably fail, compasses spin wildly, and even watches are said to stop working. Scientific investigations into the Zone of Silence point to unusually high concentrations of subterranean deposits of magnetite and other metallic minerals, combined with the presence of uranium. These elements are believed to create localized magnetic fields that disrupt radio waves and interfere with electronic devices. The area is also known for frequent meteorite activity. While these geological explanations account for many of the reported disruptions, the precise interplay of these factors continues to be a subject of scientific study. The Devil's Kettle, Minnesota. Our final stop brings us to Minnesota, to the Devil's Kettle. Here, the Brule River dramatically splits into two. One half continues to Lake Superior. The other half plunges into a mysterious pothole, the Devil's Kettle, and seemingly vanishes without a trace. For decades, this vanishing act baffled hydrologists. Attempts to determine where the water went yielded no answers, fueling speculation about subterranean rivers. However, in 2017, hydrologists finally cracked the case. They confirmed that the water does not flow into a separate body of water, but re-emerges from underground, approximately 400 feet downstream, back into the Brule River itself. The pothole is a result of erosion, carving a deep shaft into the rock. While the fundamental mystery of its destination has been explained, the visual spectacle of a river simply disappearing continues to make the Devil's Kettle an enduring natural enigma. From the electrifying skies of Lake Maracaibo to the vanishing waters of the Devil's Kettle, our planet is a treasure trove of wonders. These 10 mysterious places remind us that despite all our scientific advancements, there is still so much we don't know, so much more to explore, and so many secrets waiting to be unveiled. If you were captivated by these places, hit the like button and let us know which mystery you found the most baffling in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the unexplained corners of our world. We'll see you in the next video.